I'm going to give it the egg test to see if it's really non-stick. I've heated this to medium heat. I've got cast iron here, so that's nice because we have what cast iron is known for, which is even heating. So I'm thinking I have the ideal conditions to fry an egg. So let's try it. No oil. I've got the pan on medium-low heat because I want to cook as much of the egg on one side as I possibly can. Overall, it pretty much turned over without any problem, and that's with no oil at all. And I think it's the texture of this honeycomb that might be, the engineering of that might be the secret to that. So let's see now after it's been on here for a second. I think it's, yeah. I mean, this is left over as expected, but for the most part, it turned over. That little piece, comes right off. I just took a bite. It's delicious. These pans passed my test. Don't need any oil or butter. So at this point, I recommend them.